When starting your own business, there are multiple routes and options that you can take, but there are some really good reasons for why you should start a credit repair business. First of all, it is less costly to start a credit repair business in comparison to other businesses, so you don't need to be rolling in money from the beginning to make your dreams come true. Second of all, it is also a business that allows flexibility. It can easily fit in your schedule, and you can work from home with no issues. And thirdly, if you have also done credit restoration before, then you can be confident that you certainly have the skills to start this business. Last but not the least, we at Startup Credit Repair Business will be there for you every step of the way. We not only have a very convenient software, but we also have free training on running your business, increasing your client base, and so much more. To find more help on how to get started, visit startupcreditrepairbusiness.com.